This time on Jeffy Lube, we are working on the 1985 RZ350, the last street legal two-stroke that was sold in the United States of America. What we're working on today is fixing this vacuum petcock, which I bought brand new. It's an OEM one. I bought probably a few years ago, and what I'm having is eventually this never actually shuts off. It's a vacuum petcock. So we're gonna install this new kit from K&L. I got this from Economy Cycle, and we're gonna open this bad boy up, rebuild it, and put it back on. So like I did in the previous video, I got a solo cal, so you pop that off by hitting these two switches here. The whole assembly removes off. We're gonna take this nut out, this other side panel off, and take the whole tank off. So I decided to remove the petcock, and I'm seeing a lot of rust flakes. And I'm actually going to put the camera in there if it'll fit. This is a little bit worse than what I thought, and I hear a lot of things slushing around in there. So I'll put some clips of this on the video. So I just took the petcock off, and I found out there's rust in the tank. There's actually a lot of scale at the bottom of it, so that's sloshing around. I need to clean that out. I'm trying to figure out my next steps, if it's going to be doing evaporust, then trying to clean out the tank over the next few days. I'll need to get some more evaporust, but I'm still going to go through with rebuilding the petcock and ordering new gaskets for the petcock to the tank, but not looking good. All right, so we're going to take apart this petcock. Diaphragm is ruined. I filled the tank up with about 3 gallons of evaporust, and we're letting it sit like this. I let it sit like this overnight. I'm going to keep flipping this tank in order to get all areas, because 3 gallons is not enough. So we want to make sure that we get all the areas. So today I'm going to flip this tank in a different direction and hopefully get all the different sides. I'm going to do that for about 12 hours per side. So just drained most of the evaporust out, made a huge mess, tried to filter it, that didn't work. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flush this out with water and then shake it around. After I'm done with that, I'm gonna dump a bunch of WD-40 directly in the tank, shake it around, and then we should be good for right now. So even after flushing it, I'm gonna use the leaf blower, really blow it out with some air. Here's some WD-40. Dump that right in the gas tank. Do a little of this and slosh it around. So now we've got everything back together. Petcock back on, got it on reserve. I'm actually gonna hook up this hose and put a little vacuum on here to see what happens. So we're gonna do that now. put the petcock back on the bike and did a test by putting a little vacuum on the petcock itself, which now it's flowing fuel when there's vacuum. When it's no vacuum, it shuts it off. So hopefully that fixes my problem of it constantly overfilling the carb. I do need to reevaluate the float height as well on those carburetors just to make sure that there's nothing else internally that's set incorrectly, but this at least should stop the gas problem leaking out, which is a huge win for me. So if you want to see more content about the RZ, give me a like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.